Carbide burrs are a fundamental tool in the arsenal of any welder, playing a crucial role in the preparation, execution, and finishing of welded joints. These small, high-performance rotary cutting tools are crafted from tungsten carbide, a material revered for its exceptional hardness and resistance to heat. Their robust construction allows them to tackle a wide variety of metalworking tasks, making them indispensable in both industrial and artisanal welding environments. Understanding why welders rely so heavily on carbide burrs requires a closer look at their unique properties, their various applications, and the clear advantages they offer over alternative tools. At their core, carbide burrs are designed for material removal, shaping, and surface finishing. Their compact size and range of shapes, cylindrical, ball, cone, tree, and flame, to name a few, make them incredibly versatile. Whether a welder is working on large structural beams or intricate metal assemblies, there is a carbide burr suited for the task. The cut styles, such as single cut for rapid material removal or double cut for smoother finishes and reduced chatter, further expand their utility across different types of metal and specific job requirements. One of the primary reasons welders use carbide burrs is to address imperfections in welds. Welding, by its nature, can leave behind excess material, spatter, or uneven beads that compromise the strength and appearance of a joint. Carbide burrs excel at grinding down these irregularities, creating a smoother and more uniform surface. This process is not merely cosmetic. It enhances the integrity of the weld, ensuring that stresses are distributed evenly and reducing the risk of failure under load. Beyond correcting weld imperfections, carbide burrs are essential in the critical preparatory stage. Before two pieces of metal are joined, their edges often need to be beveled or chamfered. This process creates a groove or angled edge that allows for deeper weld penetration, resulting in a stronger joint. Carbide burrs offer the precision required to achieve the perfect bevel, especially on smaller components or in situations where larger grinding tools are unwieldy. Their ability to access tight spaces and handle intricate workpieces makes them invaluable for tasks where accuracy is paramount. Once a weld is complete, the resulting joint often contains sharp burrs or protrusions, remnants of the fabrication process that can pose safety hazards or interfere with subsequent assembly steps. Carbide burrs enable welders to quickly and efficiently remove these unwanted edges, smoothing the transition between welded sections and creating a safer, more aesthetically pleasing product. This deburring process is particularly important in industries with stringent safety and quality standards, such as aerospace, automotive manufacturing, and medical device production. Surface preparation is another area where carbide burrs shine. Welding demands that the base metal be free from contaminants like rust, scale, or paint. Any foreign material can weaken the bond between the welded components, potentially leading to joint failure. Carbide burrs are adept at cleaning and preparing metal surfaces, especially in hard-to-reach areas or on complex geometries. Their ability to create a slightly roughened or keyed surface can also enhance weld adhesion in certain applications, further contributing to the strength and durability of the final product. The versatility of carbide burrs extends beyond ferrous metals. Thanks to the inherent hardness of tungsten carbide, these burrs are suitable for a wide range of materials, including carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum, cast iron, and even exotic alloys like titanium and inconel. For welders who frequently switch between different types of metal, this adaptability is a major advantage. Specialized burr designs, such as those with aluminum cut patterns, are engineered to prevent clogging when working with softer metals, ensuring a smooth and efficient cutting process. Precision and control are hallmarks of carbide burr usage. Many welding projects involve intricate assemblies or small components that require detailed shaping and finishing. Carbide burrs, available in a multitude of shapes and sizes, provide welders with the exact level of control needed to achieve complex grooves, contours, or profiles without risking damage to surrounding areas. This capability is particularly valuable in custom fabrication, repair work, and the production of high-precision parts. Aesthetic finishing is another key application. In scenarios where the appearance of a weld is as important as its function, such as in architectural metalwork, custom furniture, or automotive detailing, carbide burrs are used to smooth and polish weld seams. This finishing touch results in a clean, professional look that enhances the overall quality and value of the finished piece. Additionally, preparing welded components for coatings or paints often requires a flawless surface, free from any imperfections that could affect adhesion. Carbide burrs make quick work of these finishing tasks, ensuring long-lasting and visually appealing results. Efficiency is a significant factor in any welding operation, and carbide burrs deliver on this front as well. Their aggressive cutting action, especially in double-cut configurations, enables rapid material removal, dramatically reducing the time required for grinding and finishing compared to manual methods like filing or sanding. Moreover, the durability of tungsten carbide ensures that these tools maintain their cutting edge far longer than alternatives such as high-speed steel burrs or abrasive wheels. This longevity translates to fewer tool changes, less downtime, and lower overall costs. Portability and ease of use are additional benefits. Carbide burrs are used with handheld rotary tools, making them easy to maneuver in confined spaces or on job sites where larger equipment is impractical. Their compatibility with a variety of power tools, die grinders, Dremel tools, pneumatic grinders, further enhances their convenience and versatility. In specific welding processes, the benefits of carbide burrs are even more pronounced. TIG welding, for example, demands impeccably clean and precise surfaces, as it is often used in high-end applications. Carbide burrs are the tool of choice for preparing and refining these surfaces. In MIG and stick welding, where slag and spatter are common, carbide burrs efficiently remove these byproducts. Pipe welders rely on them to bevel pipe ends, address internal weld imperfections, and clean up cut edges, while repair welders use them to remove damaged material and reshape parts before new welds are applied. Compared to other tools, carbide burrs offer unmatched durability, precision, and versatility. Their resistance to heat and wear ensures consistent performance even in the most demanding conditions. However, as with any power tool, safety is paramount. Welders must wear appropriate personal protective equipment, safety glasses, gloves, and dust masks to guard against the fine particles generated during use. Choosing the right burr shape and cut style, as well as operating at the correct speed and pressure, is essential for optimal results and tool longevity. In summary, carbide burrs are a cornerstone of modern welding practice. Their combination of durability, precision, versatility, and efficiency makes them an indispensable tool for material preparation, finishing, and everything in between. For welders, investing in quality carbide burrs is not just a matter of convenience. It's a commitment to producing stronger, safer, and more visually impressive welds across a diverse range of projects.